Have you ever stood at an airport and thought, oh no, what if I don't understand anyone?
You're not alone. Today, I'll help you from check-in all the way to boarding. By the end, you'll know exactly what to say.
Great, because I'm already nervous and we haven't even walked into the airport yet.
Then, let's start. Ready?
Ready.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
Speak English with confidence, one conversation at a time.
Wow, this airport is huge. Where do I go first?
First, you need to check in.
Check in. Is that where I tell them I'm here?
Exactly. You show your passport, check your luggage if you have any, and get your boarding pass.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Let's go to the check-in counter.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one big suitcase.
Great. Please put it on the scale.
Like this?
Perfect.
I hope it's not too heavy.
We'll find out in a moment.
Fingers crossed.
Your bag is fine. You're under the weight limit.
Yes, I was worried I'd packed too many snacks.
Snacks are important for a long flight.
I knew you'd understand.
Here's your boarding pass. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I always forget. Which one is next to the window?
The window seat is beside the window. The aisle seat is beside the walkway.
Then I'd love a window seat, please.
No problem. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Wait, before we go, let's learn a few useful words together.
Good idea. Check-in means to tell the airline you've arrived for your flight.
Passport is the document you use to travel to another country.
A boarding pass is your ticket to get on the airplane.
A suitcase is the big bag you travel with.
And a window seat is the seat next to the window. An aisle seat is next to the walkway.
These words are much easier when you hear them in a real conversation.
Exactly. That's why we're learning them naturally.
Now it's your turn.
Listen carefully.
What did I give the airline agent first?
Was it a boarding pass, a passport, or my suitcase?
Pause the video if you need more time.
Ready?
The answer is my passport.
That's right. You usually show your passport before you receive your boarding pass.
I think we're doing pretty well.
We are, but there's one small problem waiting for us.
A problem?
Yes.
Please don't tell me it's my suitcase.
Let's go find out.
Oh no, don't tell me my suitcase is too heavy after all.
Let's see.
Excuse me, is everything okay?
I'm sorry, Alex. I made a mistake earlier.
Uh-oh.
Your suitcase is actually 2 kilograms over the limit.
2 kilograms?
That's right.
My snacks betrayed me.
I had a feeling you packed more than just snacks.
Well, maybe I packed 3 jackets.
3 jackets? Are you flying to the North Pole?
No, but I like to be prepared.
Don't worry. This happens to many travelers.
Really?
Yes.
You have 2 choices. You can pay an extra baggage fee, or you can take a few things out of your suitcase.
I'd rather save my money.
Good choice. Let's open your suitcase. Okay, let's see.
Wow, that's a lot of clothes.
I couldn't decide what to wear.
Here's an idea. Put 1 jacket in your carry-on bag.
Oh, I forgot I could do that.
You can also move those heavy shoes.
Into my carry-on?
Exactly.
All right. Jacket, shoes, and maybe these big headphones too.
Great. Let's weigh your suitcase again.
I'm nervous.
Good news.
Really?
Your suitcase is under the weight limit now.
Yes, my wallet is very happy.
Mine would be happy too.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Sometimes the easiest solution is simply moving a few things.
Before we continue, let's learn some useful English from this situation.
You heard the phrase over the weight limit.
That means your bag is heavier than the airline allows.
Another useful expression is extra baggage fee.
That's the money you pay if your luggage is too heavy.
And remember the difference between checked baggage and carry-on.
Checked baggage goes under the airplane.
Carry-on stays with you inside the cabin.
These expressions are very common at airports.
Now let's practice pronunciation together.
Say this word slowly. Luggage.
Listen again. Luggage.
Not look-age.
Right, it's luggage.
Next word. Boarding.
Listen carefully. Boarding.
The board sounds just like the word board.
Great job.
Now repeat after us. Carry on.
Carry on.
Overweight.
Overweight.
Baggage fee.
Baggage fee.
Excellent.
Ready for a quick challenge?
Which bag goes under the airplane?
Is it the carry-on, the checked baggage, or your backpack?
Pause the video and think.
Ready?
The answer is
The checked baggage.
exactly.
Great work.
So, am I finally ready to go?
Almost.
Almost?
There's one more important place before your gate.
Let me guess.
Yes,
Security.
that's right.
I've heard people say security is the most stressful part.
It doesn't have to be.
Then let's see what happens next. Well, here we are.
The security checkpoint.
Deep breath.
You'll be fine. Just listen carefully and follow the instructions.
Okay, here goes.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Please place your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt.
The what belt?
The conveyor belt. It's the moving belt that takes your bag through the X-ray machine.
Oh, that belt.
That's right.
Here you go.
Please remove your laptop from your bag.
No problem.
And empty your pockets, please.
Everything?
Yes, your phone, your keys, and any coins.
Even the lucky coin my grandma gave me?
Just for a minute. You'll get it back after the security check.
Okay, I can survive 1 minute without my lucky coin.
Please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Perfect.
Beep.
Oh,
Was that me?
don't worry. It happens all the time.
I knew I shouldn't have worn this giant belt buckle.
That might be the reason.
Sorry.
No problem. Please remove your belt and try again.
Round 2.
Go ahead. Perfect. This time, you're through.
Yes.
See? Security wasn't so scary after all.
It felt much easier than I expected.
Let's stop for a moment and learn a few useful expressions.
You heard, please place your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt.
Place simply means put, but it's a little more polite in this situation.
Another useful instruction was empty your pockets.
Office staff often give short, clear instructions like that.
You also heard, please remove your laptop.
Remove means to take something out.
These are polite commands. They're direct, but they're not rude because people often add please.
Exactly.
Did you notice something?
We didn't hear, can you maybe put your bag over there?
Right.
At security, the instructions are usually short and clear because they need everyone to move quickly.
Now let's test your listening.
Listen again to these 3 instructions.
Please place your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt.
Please remove your laptop from your bag.
Please empty your pockets.
What were the 3 things Alex had to do?
Pause the video and say them out loud.
Ready?
First, place the carry-on bag on the conveyor belt.
Second, remove the laptop.
Third, empty the pockets.
Excellent.
I feel much more confident now.
That's great because we're almost at the departure gate.
Finally.
Well, almost.
Why do I think another surprise is waiting for me?
Because you still have to find your gate in this very big airport.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Let's go before I accidentally end up on the wrong plane. Wow, this airport is even bigger than I thought.
It can feel like a small city.
I see gate 8, gate 10, gate 12.
What gate is on your boarding pass?
Let me check.
What does it say?
Gate 18.
Then we're not there yet.
Oh, I was hoping gate 12 would magically become gate 18.
Nice try.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Where is gate 18?
Go straight, then turn left at the coffee shop.
Turn left at the coffee shop.
That's right.
Then what?
You'll see a large information screen.
Okay,
Gate 18 is just past the screen next to a bookstore.
great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Wait,
What?
did you hear an announcement?
I heard something, but they spoke so fast.
That's normal. Let's listen carefully.
Attention passengers, Flight 308 to London is now boarding at Gate 18. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. I caught London.
Good.
I think I heard Gate 18 too.
Excellent.
But what does now boarding mean?
It means passengers can begin getting on the airplane.
Oh, so we shouldn't stop for coffee now.
Not unless you want to miss your flight.
Definitely not. Before we keep going, let's learn a few more useful words.
Gate is the place where you wait before getting on the airplane.
Boarding means getting onto the plane.
Go straight means don't turn.
Turn left means change direction to the left.
And next to means beside something.
These expressions are useful in airports, train stations, and even when asking for directions in a city.
Here's a vocabulary challenge.
What does boarding mean?
Is it
A, buying a ticket,
B, getting on the airplane?
or C, collecting your luggage?
Pause the video and choose your answer.
Ready?
The correct answer is
B, getting on the airplane.
great job.
I think my listening is getting better.
Let's make it even better.
Listen to the announcement one more time. Attention passengers, Flight 308 to London is now boarding at Gate 18. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
Can you answer these 3 questions?
What is the flight number?
Which gate is boarding?
What 2 things should passengers have ready?
Pause the video before checking your answers. Ready?
The flight number is 308,
Boarding is at gate 18.
and passengers should have their passport and boarding pass ready.
Excellent listening.
Hey, I can finally see Gate 18.
Great, we made it.
Wait, what is it?
What is it?
There's a long line.
That's a good sign.
Really?
Yes, it means boarding has started.
Perfect. I think I'm finally ready.
Are you sure you have everything?
Passport,
Good.
boarding pass,
Good.
carry-on bag,
Excellent.
lucky coin,
Still with you?
right here.
Then there's only one thing left to do.
What's that?
Let's get on the plane.
Here we go. This is it.
You're ready.
I hope so.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you.
Am I all set?
Let me check. Yes, everything looks good.
That's a relief.
You're boarding Group 3.
Group 3?
Yes, airlines often call passengers in groups to make boarding easier.
That makes sense.
You may board now.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful flight.
Thanks. I can't believe I made it.
You did a great job.
At the beginning, I was worried I wouldn't understand anyone.
And now?
Now I know what to say at the check-in counter, at security, and at the boarding gate.
That's fantastic.
I even understood the airport announcement.
You certainly did.
Before we finish, let's review today's most useful vocabulary.
First, check in.
This means to tell the airline you've arrived for your flight.
Boarding pass.
The document you need to get on the airplane.
Carry on.
The bag you take with you onto the plane.
Checked baggage.
The luggage that goes under the airplane.
Gate.
The place where passengers wait before boarding.
Boarding.
Getting onto the airplane.
Security checkpoint.
The place where your bags and personal items are checked.
Passport.
Your travel document for international trips.
Now let's review some useful expressions.
I'd like to check in.
Here is my passport.
Could I have a window seat, please?
Where is gate 18?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excellent. These are expressions you'll hear and use in real airports.
Now for 2 pronunciation tips.
First, boarding.
Say it with us. Boarding.
The board sounds just like the word board.
Don't rush it.
Next, passport.
Passport.
Stress the first syllable, passport.
Great job.
Are you ready for today's final mini quiz?
Let's see how much you remember.
Question 1.
What do you show first at the check-in counter?
Pause the video.
The answer, your passport.
Question 2.
Which bag goes under the airplane?
Pause the video.
The answer, checked baggage.
Question 3.
What does boarding mean?
Pause the video.
The answer, getting onto the airplane.
Question 4.
If someone says, go straight, then turn left, what should you do?
Pause the video.
The answer, walk straight first, then turn left.
Question 5.
What 2 things should you have ready before boarding?
Pause the video.
The answer, your passport and your boarding pass.
Amazing work.
If you answered most of those correctly, you're becoming much more confident with airport English.
And remember, making small mistakes is part of learning.
I made quite a few today.
You did, and that's why you learned so much.
My favorite part was discovering that airports aren't as scary as I imagined.
Exactly. When you know the language, everything feels easier.
We hope this lesson helps you feel confident on your next trip.
Try listening to the conversation again and repeat our sentences aloud.
The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
In our next lesson, we'll learn English on the airplane.
You'll learn how to talk to the flight attendant, ask for food and drinks, find your seat, and speak confidently during your flight.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
Have you ever traveled by plane, or will this be your first flight?
We'd love to hear your answer.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please like, subscribe, and share this lesson with someone who wants to improve their English.
Thanks for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and have a wonderful day.